Hey, Jason from xFanatical here. In this short video, I will demonstrate how you can bulk update Chrome devices' custom fields in Google Workspace using xFanatical Foresight. There are often times when a manager needs to bulk update Chrome devices' fields. For example, Asset ID, the user of the Chrome devices, location, or notes. There is a link given in the description that explains the meaning of all these fields. Google Admin Console does not have the option to bulk update Chrome devices, except the coding method. Foresight is a great tool that helps in getting this task done without coding, fast and efficiently. Let's see how Foresight bulk update Chrome devices. In this demo video, we will update the devices of Grade 1 organizational unit. First, we will prepare a CSV list of devices of Grade 1 organizational unit. A link in the I button and description explains the process of exporting a list of Chrome devices. Here is the CSV that we have prepared. It has 50 devices with updated information like Asset ID, the user of the Chrome devices, location, or notes. Please note that the device ID is not changeable. We will download that Google Sheet as CSV. Rule creation. Step 1. Log into Foresight with Google Admin account. Go to the Rule page and click the New Rule button. Step 2. Select the Data Upload trigger and upload the CSV file with updated info. Wait for the file to be parsed, then click Next. Step 3. Select Update Chrome Device Action. First, you may need to grant permission to Foresight in the Google Workspace account. In the Device ID field, select Device ID. This is not changeable as mentioned above. Then select the respective option in the fields as follows. These variables will take the values from the CSV file. Click Review. Step 4. Enter the rule name and click Create. Triggering the rule. Step 5. As you can see, the rule is created. Now click on the Upload icon and upload the same CSV file again. The process will take a few seconds. Verifying results. A notification will appear in the top right corner. Click on it and then click View Log. You can also go to the Logs page from the left sidebar. As you can see, the rule is triggered successfully, and devices in Google Admin Console are updated. If you have yet to install Foresight, apply for a 14 days trial. If you like our video, hit the thumbs up. Also, subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell icon to get notifications about the news, trends, and products that help you manage your business very well.